This is an heirloom recipe I converted to gluten-free, and it has been a favorite with celiacs and non-celiacs alike. Start by adding all of your dry ingredients except the brown sugar to a mixing bowl. Give it a stir. And then add the remaining ingredients. Start mixing on low. And then increase your speed to high. Mini muffin tins, regular size muffin tins, or mini bread pans work best for this recipe. These muffins are great plain, or you could top them with chopped pecans and a cinnamon sugar mixture. Then bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until a tester comes out clean. There's no better way to usher in fall than with the smell of cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and cloves coming from your oven. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe because we're just getting started.